Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Entry Station. In this video, we will talk about 7 testing principles. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Before proceeding, let us first understand the definition of testing principles. What is testing principles? Testing principles talks about a few guidelines that support the testing process. These principles are accepted across the world and many organizations follow the testing process, keeping these principles in mind. Following are the 7 testing principles. Testing shows the presence of defects, not their absence. Exhaustive testing is impossible. Early testing saves time and money. Defects cluster together. Beware of the pesticide paradox. Testing is context dependent. And the last one is absence of errors is a fallacy. Let's talk about each of them in detail. Testing shows the presence of defects, not their absence. The definition of software testing says that it is a process to find a defect in an application. Testing an application will reveal the presence of defect and it won't reveal absence of the defect. Exhaustive testing is impossible. Considering the limited human resources, time and energy, it is next to impossible to perform exhaustive testing. The testing process has to stop at some time. Even if we keep on testing the application 24/7, it is not possible to find all the defects. Early testing saves time and money. Doing early testing and sharing early feedback to the developers allow them to fix the defect at the early stage of development. This saves the project time and money since it takes a lot of effort in identifying the root cause during the later stage of development when the code base becomes huge. Defects cluster together. A small number of modules usually contains most of the defects. If an application has 10 different modules, chances are very high that out of those 10 modules, 2 to 3 modules will have most of the defects. Beware of the pesticide paradox. If the same test is repeated again and again, there is a very less chance of finding a new defect. In order to find a new defect, we should test it with different test data or update the test steps or test the functionality with different approach. Testing is context dependent. Testing an application totally depends on what it is intended for. For example, the testing approach of banking application would be totally different from testing aircraft software. Absence of errors is a fallacy. It is next to impossible to guarantee that the testing application is free from errors and defects. Testing an application thoroughly and finding critical errors will not guarantee that the system is free from error. These are the 7 testing principles. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.